In this video, I'll demonstrate how to set up H2O integration with Stata for machine learning analysis. H2O is a scalable and distributed open-source machine learning platform that now extends Stata's analytical and predictive capabilities. First, let's try connecting Stata to H2O. You can do so by typing H2O init in the command window. You'll likely see an error message indicating that the H2O Java archive file is missing. Don't worry, this is expected for first-time setup. This error message indicates that we need to download the H2O jar file and place it in the correct ADO path, which is required to use H2O. The error message includes a download link. Click it to reach the H2O installation page. From there, you can click H2O3 download page, and then click Download H2O. The latest stable version of H2O will download to your machine. Next, we need to place the H2O file where Stata can find it. To do this, extract the downloaded zip file. Then locate the H2O jar file inside. This is the only file from within the zip file that you will need. You'll want to move this to one of Stata's ADO paths. You can check your Stata ADO path by going to the Stata command window and typing ADO path. We recommend placing the H2O jar file in either the site, personal, or plus directory. When the jar file is placed along the ADO path, H2O will use it directly to start a new local cluster. Now we can successfully run the original H2O initialize command in order to start a new cluster. You can also manage H2O connections through the H2O dialog interface by clicking Statistics and then selecting H2O Machine Learning. Here, you can take full advantage of the H2O suite of commands that Stata's integration has to offer, from managing frames data and training models to performing post-estimation analysis and obtaining prediction results. To start a new H2O cluster, click Initialize, and then click OK. For better performance, you could also specify the maximum number of parallel threads here. This allocates CPU threads for the H2O cluster to use, and can directly affect how quickly H2O trains models. After you've entered a number of threads to use, click OK. To disconnect from H2O, click the Connect Disconnect button, select Disconnect, and then click Submit. This will close the connection to the existing cluster, but the cluster itself remains active. Later, in the same Stata session, you can rebuild the connection to the cluster and re-access any frames or other resources it contains. You can also connect to an H2O cluster on a remote machine by providing its IP address and port, using the IP and port options. When you're ready to connect, click Submit. That's it. You're now ready to perform machine learning analysis using H2O within Stata. Check out the official documentation at www.stata.com/h2o for more details.